What on earth? Surf and turf. Fully active, my father. Cook and vibe. Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. Today we are making surf and turf. What on earth? Surf and turf. You know what I'm saying? Simple little surf and turf today. Sirloin steak and some shrimp. Do you know what I mean? Shrimp prawns. Do you know what I'm saying? Whatever you want to call it. I'm going to do some mashed potato with it and some broccoli. Yeah, man. Simple seasonings, some Old Bay seasoning and some all-purpose seasoning. Because that has, look, as you can see on there, it has beer things in there already. You know what I'm saying? So that is all you're going to need for today's surf and turf quick meal. Oh, yeah, and some garlic cloves. That is it. And the only other thing is probably some butter. And that is all you're going to need, people. First of all, we're going to season the shrimp. We're going to season the shrimp with the Old Bay seasoning and with the Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. First things first. Same spice for the steak. You know what I'm saying? Some people say, you know, just salt and pepper on the steak. Really taste the steak. I hear ya. Sometimes, like, I was in Australia, you know, proper Australian steak, and we was cooking it. Yeah, just a bit of salt and pepper on that proper expensive steak that we're going to cook outside in Australia, which is an Australian steak. I hear you. But any other time, seasoning, brother. Yeah, more than salt and pepper. I tell ya. Yeah, the shrimp are done anyway. The shrimp are seasoned. Yeah, steak and shrimp seasoned. Nah. These are only going to take a few minutes to each. You know what I'm saying? So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to get the mashed potato on cooking and the broccoli after that. You know what I'm saying? Quick and fast. Fully active, people. That is it. So we just want to peel our potatoes first. Get them going. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, mashed potato. With my mashed potato, I like to just put a little bit of garlic clove just in, one garlic clove in with the potatoes when they're cooking and when they're finished. Well, I'll show you what we do when they're finished. But yeah, I hope everyone's all right, man. If you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. If you haven't hit that like button, hit that like button and get the video moving quick and fast. You know what I'm saying? It's Cook and Vibe, the place where you're forward and you smile and you learn about new food and twists on recipes and all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? That is it. Yeah, whilst we're waiting for the kettle to boil, just chop them up into quarters like that, people. Obviously, I know everyone knows how to make mash, but you know, you might want to make it just exactly the way I do it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, chop that up and then give them a wash. And then one little clove of garlic, and that is it. Next, people, we're gonna chop up the broccoli or little trees. Yeah, and we're gonna put these in the same pot. So the potatoes should take no more than about 20 minutes. So in about 5 to 10 minutes, we put the broccoli in, chop it up, give it a wash, and that is it. Yeah. Garlic goes in, bit of salt, that is it. Good vibes, people, that is it. Big up Big Zoo, you know what I'm saying? Drip, water, keep yourself hydrated, you know what I'm saying? That is it, so. We've got some drip on deck. Little refreshment whilst the potatoes are cooking. Again, big up yourself, man. As you can see, constantly uploading, people, constantly. This year is going to be crazy. I've got some really exciting news about a new channel that's going to be starting real soon as well. All to do with food, everything. You're going to love it. Believe me, you're going to love it. I'm working loads on just like making the channel better quality for the channel, working on new intros, I'm gonna bring back the big up section. We started to do the restaurant reviews. Check out the last episode, not the last one, a couple episodes before. Bun Dem Burgers was our first restaurant review. So we're gonna be doing restaurant reviews. There's so much gonna be happening this year, you know what I'm saying? And obviously I've got new music dropping real soon as well, you know what I'm saying? So big up, people. It's been about 5 minutes, people. Maybe a little bit longer than 5 minutes. A couple minutes longer. So now I'm gonna put my broccoli into the same pot. You know what I'm saying? Everything can cook same way. Pot of bubble, you can hear it, people. So this is gonna be like, so this is, I didn't put this in at the beginning. This is some fresh parsley here. Now what I'm gonna do is, this kind of brings the meal together. So basically, oh, that's skinned already. So basically, I wanna chop up some garlic. This is what's gonna complete the whole meal. To be honest with you, without this, the meal, it can't really run, because you need extra, you know what I mean? So we're just gonna chop up some garlic, and then we're gonna chop up this parsley, and we're gonna put some butter in a pan, add all this to the pan, and a little bit of seasoning. I will show you. Like I say, people, this kind of just brings it all together, because the little garlic butter, you just pour it over the shrimp and the steak, and then, you know, the potatoes in it, the mash, you can dip the mash in it, and you know what I mean, niceness. So yeah, we're just chopping this up. Enough people say to me, you know, end up, don't cut like that. You're gonna chop your fingers. Bro, I've been cooking for years and years and years. Don't watch my cutting skills, you know, car. I haven't cut myself yet. So I don't think I'm gonna start after all this time. There you go, people. That is it. However big you wanna make it, obviously that depends on how many people that you're cooking for, etc. So the butter's in there now. Get the parsley in there. Get the garlic in there. That is it. Good vibes. And then what we're gonna add to that is gonna add some Old Bay seasoning. A little bit of Old Bay seasoning in there. Not too much. That's good. And that's good to go, people. We'll put that aside when our food's ready, because that will only take a couple minutes. All right, at this point, they're done. So we're gonna fling the steak on, we're gonna put the shrimp on the grill, put them on the grill, and we're gonna cook the steak on the hob. Shrimp ready to go under the grill. Get some olive oil in there. Give that a little, that is it. Get that steak in there. Holy, I see my father, you hear that? Now all this is gonna take a couple minutes from now, people. So we're gonna slowly put the garlic butter on as well. I like my steak medium well done. So maybe about, I don't know, maybe about 3 minutes on each side, maybe a bit longer, we'll check it. Fully active in the kitchen, people. Couple more minutes on that side, and now I'm gonna start separating when that's done. Before I put the garlic butter on this one, I'm gonna start separating the broccoli out from the potatoes. Yes, people, to my mashed potato, I'm gonna add some butter in there. A little bit more butter. I like a lot of butter in mine. And then some milk. That is it. Into my mashed potato. I'm gonna leave the clove of garlic that was put in there, and then just give this a good mash. That is it, people. A good vibes. As you can see, there's my steak, cooked just how I like it. Still nice and juicy, but cooked. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Shrimp are done as well. So, we're nearly there. See, you got the mash and the broccoli already there. Now I'm gonna attempt to pick up this steak one time. Nearly. There we go. There we go, people. Last couple bits on the end there. Ship down there. There we go. Now, our prawns are ready. So we just put some prawns at the side there. Some more on this side here. That is it. And there we go. We are nearly finished. Nearly. One more step. Garlic butter. Yeah, people. The garlic butter is ready. So we're just going to pour that. Hold on. That is it. I'm just going to pour that over the shrimp, over the steak. Yeah, everywhere. We can all have some of that on the mash there as well, you know what I'm saying? Get all that garlic and big bits of garlic. There we go, people. What on earth? Surf and turf. Yeah. What on earth? Surf and turf. Mashed potato, look all that garlic and parsley over the mashed potato. Broccoli, steak, shrimp. Mad seeing the people fully acting my father. You hear that? Let's go for the taste time. Taste time, people. Now, I told you the garlic butter brings it all together. Mashed potato. Creamy, smooth, nice flavor. You know what I'm saying? Let's get shrimp. Beautiful. Steak. What one do you want? Surf and turf. Broccoli. It's mad. You taste the garlic butter over everything. Beautiful meal. Hope you enjoyed today's episode, people. You don't know the thing's set. We're fully active in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to enjoy the rest of this meal. And I'll see you lot very soon. Big up yourself.